Imagine a world where wars aren't fought with weapons, but with algorithms. Data is the new oil. Compute is the new steel. And whoever leads in AI, leads the world. Sounds dramatic? It's not, it's reality unfolding right now. America and China are in a silent sprint. Not for land, not for trade routes, for intelligence itself. Artificial intelligence. And the stakes? Everything from jobs to power to innovation. So, can America still win? Or is the race already lost? Today, we dive deep into that question. Welcome to Sachs, Andreessen and Horowitz, How America Wins the AI Race Against China. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. And I drop these AI money-making tools every week, so if you want to stay ahead, hit subscribe and click the bell right now. Let's start with this. Why does this AI race even matter? Because the winner sets the global rules of the digital age. The winner defines what intelligence means for humanity. Marc Andreessen said it best, AI isn't just another industry, it's the foundation of everything. So, what's America's position? Still strong, but fragile. What's China's position? Fast, focused, and scaling. The battlefield is invisible: chips, compute, data centers, regulation. The race is about who can build smarter, faster, cheaper AI. And right now, both sides are sprinting. America still leads in the frontier models. OpenAI, Anthropic, Meta, Google DeepMind. But China leads in deployment scale. Billions of devices, millions of engineers, and near unlimited data from 1.4 billion citizens. So who's got the edge? Let's break this down. There are three pillars that decide the winner. Pillar 1, compute and supply chains. Pillar 2, energy and infrastructure. Pillar 3, talent and open innovation. We'll unpack each one. And by the end, you'll see exactly how America can still win. Let's start with Pillar 1. Compute. The raw horsepower behind AI. The more chips, the more training, the better the models. Sounds simple, right? But here's the twist. The chips that train AI come from complex, fragile supply chains. Most cutting-edge chips are designed in the US but manufactured in Taiwan. Packed and assembled across Asia. That's a bottleneck, and a risk. Andreessen and Horowitz call this America's compute vulnerability. China knows it. That's why they're investing billions in chip independence. Fabrication plants, rare earth mining, local production. The US must respond, not with fear, but with build power. Build more fabs. Build faster. Build smarter. Because whoever owns the compute, owns the intelligence. Now, Pillar 2, energy and infrastructure. AI eats electricity like crazy. Data centers require massive power. Cooling systems. Internet backbones. If your grid can't handle it, your AI slows down. Simple as that. China's building mega cities powered by dedicated AI grids. America? Drowning in permits, red tape, and environmental delays. So, the solution? Cut the red tape. Accelerate nuclear. Rebuild grids for high-performance compute. In short, make energy the next big tech industry. Because compute without power is just potential. Power without compute is just waste. Together, they define AI dominance. Pillar 3, talent and open innovation. This is the soul of the race. America's edge has always been people. The culture of builders, risk-takers, and dreamers. From Silicon Valley to small startups, innovation flows through freedom. But regulation is closing in. AI, safety boards, restrictions, paperwork. Sachs says, that's how America loses. By smothering the builders. China, on the other hand, has fewer brakes on experimentation. They move faster, sometimes recklessly, but faster. So how does America counter that? By going all in on open source. Open models. Open code. Open ecosystems. Because open innovation scales faster than closed systems. The more minds you allow in, the smarter the outcome. That's the real American advantage. Collaboration beats control. Freedom beats central planning. And creativity beats conformity. But only if we keep it alive. Now, pause for a second. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Okay, let's go deeper. Andreessen calls it, the software eats the world moment. Part 2. Only now, AI eats everything. From design to medicine, from law to defense. Whoever wins AI will define the rules of civilization. America still leads in research labs. But China leads in deployment velocity. They don't debate, they deploy. And that difference compounds every month. So how does America close the gap? By building faster. By empowering startups. By reducing friction. By letting founders run. Think about it, every major tech wave came from permissionless innovation. The internet. The App Store. The cloud. None of those started from regulation. They started from curiosity. That's what the AI race needs now. Curiosity plus capital equals momentum. Momentum equals dominance. And dominance equals leadership. But here's a warning, lose your builders, lose your edge. Talent flows where opportunity grows. Visa restrictions push innovation abroad. America must stay open, or lose the next generation. That's not politics. That's math. More talent equals more ideas. More ideas equals faster breakthroughs. Faster breakthroughs equals victory. Speaking of breakthroughs, let's talk about the tool that made me $100. I'll show you how it connects to this entire story. Because the AI race isn't just national, it's personal. I used a new automation tool built on an open-source AI framework. I set up a small workflow, and within hours, earned $100. Why tell you this? Because that's the point. When the right infrastructure exists, anyone can win. You, me, developers, creators. That's America's potential advantage. Open infrastructure creates millions of micro-winners. And that builds national strength. China builds top-down. America wins bottom-up. But only if we empower individuals to build. That's why this race matters. It's not just nations, it's you. Your freedom to create, to build, to innovate. That's what's at stake. Let's recap. Pillar 1. Build compute independence. Pillar 2. Power the grid of the future. Pillar 3. Unleash open innovation. Together, these form the American AI strategy. It's not about copying China, it's about doubling down on what makes America unique. Freedom. Risk. Creation. The ability to fail and try again. That's the software spirit. And that spirit wins wars, even AI ones. Because in the end, AI isn't about machines. It's about human imagination. It's about how far we're willing to go to stay ahead. The next generation of jobs, wealth, and influence depends on this. And it's being decided now. Not in the future. Not in 2030. Now. Every data center built. Every model trained. Every startup launched, moves the needle in this invisible war. So here's your role, learn AI. Build with it. Use it. Don't wait for permission. Because the next wave of millionaires and innovators won't be watching, they'll be building. The US wins when its people build. That's the real secret. The real national defense is innovation. Innovation powered by open access and free minds. And you, yes, you watching, are part of it. Start today. Build something. Automate something. Create with AI instead of competing against it. Because the tools are in your hands now. Speaking of tools, the one I used? Links below, check it after this video. And if you want more like this, subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. I break down AI money-making tools and global trends every week. The kind of info that keeps you ahead of 99%. Because AI isn't slowing down. It's accelerating. The question is, will you? Will America? Sachs, Andreessen, and Horowitz think it can. But only if builders build. Only if dreamers dream. Only if the system allows creation, not control. That's the message. And it starts here, with awareness. Awareness leads to urgency. Urgency leads to action. And action leads to leadership. That's how America wins the AI race. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button right now. Because I've got more tools, insights, and strategies coming up. Remember, the future belongs to those who build it. Not those who wait for it. Not those who fear it. Those who build it. If that's you, welcome to the winning side. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. Don't miss it. Drop a comment, America wins, if you're in. And I'll know you watched till the end. Because that's how real builders roll. This is your time. This is your decade. The AI age has begun. The race is on. And the finish line is still wide open. Stay curious. Stay bold. Stay building. Because the world won't wait. See you in the next one. Let's go build the future.